In this video, we're going to check out the Disney's Pixar Coco's Deluxe figurine playset. You guys, I have it right here. We're going to be unboxing it. We're going to take a look at all the characters. So let's get it. I just want to show you guys the box real quick before we actually unbox it. So we do have Coco right here on the side. We have all of this good stuff right here. Get the light out the way. We have all this good stuff right here. Let's keep turning it. Oh, on this side, we do have Hector, so that's pretty cool. And then, of course, let's get the bottom. The bottom, nothing too crazy at the bottom. Let's go ahead and unbox this so you guys can take a look at all the characters. So here's a better look of everybody outside of that box because I had a little shine on it from my ring light. But you guys could see everybody right here. So let's take them out individually and take a closer look at them. All right, you guys, we got everybody out the box. First up is Ernesto de la Cruz. I have him right here. He has his guitar, which is pretty cool. I like how he has that. He does have his sombrero, so you guys can see it on the top of his head. There's a back shot of it right there. And then you guys can see that he can stand up because he does have like this little plastic bottom on him right here. So you could actually plop him and he does stand up. Actually, all of the toys I'm going to be showing you right now stand up, so that's pretty cool. So next we have Mama Imelda, and she has her arms crossed. She's kind of like mad like she always is, and that's pretty much her. She has her dress on, and then same thing for her. She has that bottom so she could stand up as well. So here we got Chicharron. He doesn't last too long in the movie, but he is an important character, and he has his little like walking stick. He also has his hat, and you can see his skeleton feet right there. And then of course, like I said, he stands up. So I do like that they do include him in the set. You guys, I do have my man Hector right here. He has his guitar. He looks like he's about to play. He's wearing his typical clothing from the movie. And then the footing on this one is kind of like bigger because he has like 3 points at the bottom. 1 being the guitar and 2 being his feet. So of course he definitely needed to be included in this set. You guys, I got Dante. He is in regular form. He's not in alebrije form, and he is the smallest, I'd have to say, out of this whole set right here. But it is a comparison to Miguel, so I say that's pretty right on there. So I do like that he's included. Of course, his tongue's out, his ears are up, his tail is out. You guys, we do have Pepita, the alebrije right here, and it's the biggest out of all of them, and of course it's the heaviest also. I do like the vibrant colors that Pepita has. It's pretty true to the movie, so I do like that. I like how it has different colors under here, same as the blue on the very, very top. So Pepita is included. Of course, you have to include Miguel because this wouldn't be a set without Miguel. He does have his guitar, and this is Miguel before, like in the actual life right here, and then they also included one in the afterlife. So I'm going to show you guys that one next. You guys, this is Miguel right here in the afterlife. You can see because he's painted up, trying to disguise himself to look like a skeleton. I definitely like this set. If you guys are thinking about getting it, I fully recommend it. Thanks for watching this video, you guys.